Hello, good afternoon. This is Fiona. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo kung gaano kahalaga ang Birkins na 'to. It's Hermes bag worth this kind of price. Look at this. My God, it's end up 11,230,000 yen. And this is the bag. Let me show you the picture one by one. Yan. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. It end up 11,230,000 yen in yen. And approximately it's $11,230. Wow. Worth worth 5 million in peso bag. With complete inclusion, all the details shown in the picture. Wow. I think this is made of crocks. Yes. Let me look at the name of this bag, Hermes. My goodness. Napakamahal. Grabe yung mahal niya, grabe. May maliit akong nakitang ganito kay Heart Evangelista. Yeah. Oh my God. The net price is 17,600,000 yen. And Hermes, this is Hermes Himalaya. This is Hermes Himalaya. Birkin 30. Himalaya Birkin 30. Wow. So precious. Oh my God. I wish I have one. This is from my home auction. Yeah. My God. I cannot afford this. Grabe. And that's all for today. Thank you.